Hellraiser's Fabrication and Cycles. Last walk around of the Outlaw chopper before we tear it apart and start the paint and powder coat and heat wrap and wiring process. This is a 8 up, 6 out, 32 degree rake, 1998 Dyna. The rear fender has been shortened by 2.5 inches and narrowed. It's running a little peanut style gas tank, fishtail exhaust, side tail light profile. Fender looks really good chopped down, narrowed up. Thinking about doing tattooed style artwork under the candy. It's going to be over the top of the silver metal flake. We're going full bling bling on this one. Let us know what you think.